Hi, welcome to my channel. Here's an update on Scandal. Hloso and his family, they have a new house, a beautiful house, and there's a whole lot of new faces that made appearances today. Uprasemi, who first appeared at Toriso's wedding, who is their uncle, is here as the owner of Itembaletu. He announces that he has sold Itembaletu to Utapelo, Utukulo Sindane, and Bridget Masego. They come and then the community does not feel, they feel unease because Utapelo said they'll bring a lot of changes. They feel like, Ubrasemi should have spoken to them. Maybe they will have raised money to buy Itembale to themselves. But Unhloso reassures them, these are good people. They were my previous bosses. They are good people. This is all right. But then, Puat's mother is there, also selling her fat cakes, saying, hi, there's a more these people are not good people. They're just good for nothing people. Velenje won't be fine. And then the others are just like it unease. And then Uprasemi, they just realize there's also issues about electricity and all. But Uprasemi, like, it's your problem now. You've bought the place as it is, so you have to fix it as the new owners. And then Hloso welcomes Tukulo Sindane, saying, I'm happy you're here. He is now the manager at the supermarket at Tembaletu. And then Umadloma owns her own laundromat, Konala Payana. It seems like Tembaletu has encompasses a whole lot of businesses in one building. And then there's a murder on the first day appearance yabo on this new Scandal. Kuzoshuba Brasemi killed someone on the first day who was claiming to be the real boss of Itembaletu. And then Umdala feels like, Tapela, what have you gotten us into? Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you on the next one. Bye.